Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Today's video is about the 5 records set by Lionel Messi after winning the 2021 Ballon d'Or. The 2021 Ballon d'Or winner Lionel Messi has set many records by winning the 2021 Ballon d'Or. Messi was awarded the trophy by his former Barcelona teammate and close friend Luis Suarez after a dazzling ceremony at the Théâtre du Châtelet in Paris. Lionel Messi and Robert Lewandowski were the top contenders for men's football's highest individual honor in the year. The Argentine went on to win the Ballon d'Or with 613 votes while Lewandowski finished second with 580 votes. The Copa America success with Argentina was a major reason behind Lionel Messi's Ballon d'Or win. Despite playing 4 finals with Argentina until 2021, Lionel Messi did not have the opportunity to lift an international trophy. That changed this year when, inspired by Captain Messi, Argentina beat Brazil in the final of Copa America at Maracana. Lionel Messi had a record-breaking tournament as he finished as the top scorer, the top assist provider, and also won the Player of the Year award. A special clips of Messi's international journey with Argentina and the resulting success after years of failure was shown at the ceremony to celebrate his incredible achievement. With 7 Ballon d'Ors to his name, the Argentine is the record holder of the award. Of course, that is not the only milestone he achieved. Messi's whole career has been about breaking and setting records, and following the 7th Ballon d'Or win, his legacy took an even higher leap. The 5 records Lionel Messi set after winning the 2021 Ballon d'Or are: Number 5. Lionel Messi becomes the first player to win the 7 Ballon d'Or awards. Messi is the winner of the Ballon d'Or from 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2015, 19 and 2021 Ballon d'Or winner. On 29th of November, Lionel Messi became the first player to win the 7 Ballon d'Or, an almost unthinkable achievement given how competitive a sport football is. Number 4. Lionel Messi becomes the first League One player to win the Ballon d'Or in the 21st century. Although Lionel Messi's biggest success this year arrived with Barcelona and Argentina, he is now a PSG player. The dramatic transfer saga this summer, where the Catalan club failed to retain him because of financial complication, forced him to switch allegiance. This means that Lionel Messi is the only second footballer from League One to the Ballon d'Or after Jean Perry in 1991. Number 3. Lionel Messi is also the first PSG player to win the Ballon d'Or. Lionel Messi has now become the first PSG player to win the Ballon d'Or. For PSG, George Weah came the closest to win the prestigious trophy. In fact, he did win the Ballon d'Or in 1995, but he secured a move from PSG to AC Milan that summer. Messi mentioned that he has more focused about continuing to win titles with PSG and Argentina instead of focusing on a potential 8th Ballon d'Or award. This will come as a good news for PSG fans as Messi is starting to rediscover his form at his new club. Number 2. Lionel Messi becomes the oldest player to win the Ballon d'Or in the 21st century. At the age of 34 years and 159 days, Lionel Messi also became the oldest footballer to lift the Ballon d'Or in this century. Fabio Cannavaro in 2006 and Luka Modric in 2018 were the oldest winner in the millennium before Messi. Both were 33 when they received the prestigious honor. Lionel Messi is also the third youngest Ballon d'Or winner in history with only Michael Owen and Brazilian Ronaldo ahead of him. Number 1. Lionel Messi becomes the first to win the Ballon d'Or in 3 of different decades. Football has never been consistency quite like Lionel Messi. To be able to do what he does is incredibly enough. to do it non-stop for nearly 15 years is a madness. Lionel Messi is the first player ever to win a Ballon d'Or in 3 separate decades, from 2009 to 2021. Messi has been arguably the best footballer in the world since 2007. Falling short in 2007 and 8, Lionel Messi won his Ballon d'Or in 2009. This was followed by the 3 more record breaks win until 2012. Lionel Messi took the Ballon d'Or back from Cristiano Ronaldo in 2015 after a spellblinding season with Barcelona. He then added the 6th trophy to his collection and pulled ahead of Ronaldo in 2019. 12 years since his first win in 2009, Lionel Messi has become the first player to lift the Ballon d'Or in 3 different decades. From 2000 to 2010, Lionel Messi won in 2009. Till 2010-2020, Lionel Messi has won the Ballon d'Or in 2010, 11, 12, 15 and 19. From 2020 to 2021 and now onwards, Lionel Messi has also won the Ballon d'Or in 2021. This kind of consistency isn't common in the sport where the greatest footballer have maintained peaks for around 5 years. Subjectively, the argument surrounding the best footballer in history may swing between Pele, Messi and Maradona, but objectively, Lionel Messi has gone past those 2 legends long before. These were the 5 records set by Lionel Messi after winning the 2021 Ballon d'Or award.